Hello students, now we are going to see second question in exercise 2.1. Say true or false. First subdivision, this picture is given, pencil picture as given. The length of part B is in the pencil shown is A minus 6. See, length of part B. This part B length is A minus 6, like that given. Look at this picture students. In this picture, see the total length as given. So look at this picture. Total length is 6. The shaded part alone 8 centimeter. Total length is 6 centimeter. Shaded part is 8 centimeter. Therefore, the remaining part value is total minus shaded. Actually, the part B is total 6 minus A. But what is given? A minus 6 is given. So now the given statement is the first subdivision given statement here in this false. F-A-L-S-E, false. See the second subdivision. If the cost of an apple is X and the cost of an banana is 5, then the total cost of fruits is X plus 5. Yes, apple separately X, banana separately 5. The total means addition only. So X plus 5. It's correct one. The given statement is correct statement. So for the second subdivision, true. T-R-U-E, true. Third subdivision, 10 more to 3 times C. See 10 more, so 10 plus 3 times, so 3 into C or 3C. So 10 plus 3C is correct one. But what is given in this question? 10C plus C is given. So the third given statement false. F-A-L-S-E, false. See the fourth one. If the cost of 10 rice bags is T, then the cost of 1 rice bag. Within that 10 only we need to divide and give. So division form. 1 rice bag is T by 10. That is given is correct statement. So we can say the statement is fourth one, true. Fifth subdivision, the product of Q and 20 is 20Q. See students, here in this product Q into 20. We can even write Q 20. And also we can write this as 20Q. Here I will give you one example students for the fifth subdivision. Product of any value. Any value means here see 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 and 2 into 4. By commutative property, order will not affect the product. Even we can write Q into 20 as 20 into Q. 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are also 8. It's only an example. It's a commutative. So the given statements in this 20Q is correct one. So the last one is also true. Once again students, first subdivision false. Second subdivision true. Third subdivision false. Fourth subdivision true. Fifth subdivision true. Thank you.